Hey guys, my name is Sunandan Sharma. I'm right now creating music, but I'm not a full-time musician. It's just a part-time thing for me. My current profession is that I'm a software engineer, and this is my side-time hustling job. So let's do it.
So, Sunandan, as you were talking, like you're not directly into this profession, right?
Yes,
Obviously,
correct.
not, but you love it. It's in your blood.
Yes.
You think it's in your blood. So, शुरू कब हुआ? Like मैं पहले भी यही बात किया था कि ये we go to like सबसे पीछे चलते हैं, like your age, जब एक पहली बार वो आया होगा feel that yes, you were talking about like पहले you were not into this music but especially you were a dancer.
Yes.
So can we know about that? Like
Yeah, sure. So, like, it all starts at 2013 when my college starts. So, I was not into dance at that time. I had no knowledge of hip hop. I had no knowledge of break dance and nothing at all. But I just watched some videos of DIDs and all that same thing, and so I was like, कि मुझे भी try करना है यार, and I just tried windmill the most. It's like the power move of the break dance. So like two legs are above in the hand and you like spinning like this.
wow,
And like this.
yes.
So I was like, I want to try it, and I just gave it a one go, and I did it. It was messed up, but I did it somehow, and I was like, oh, cool, that was cool. It was not so hard. So when I went to the college, it was the ice breaking session, and one of my friend, we just met like he was my friend, और उसने मेरा नाम ले दिया, and everyone is shooting like Sunandan Sunandan. I was like, what to do, and I'm kind of very introvert and shy guy. Like I can't stand in front of mic, I can't speak in front of stage, but somehow I do it. So I went there, and guess what? I had to there was a one-on-one battle with one of the senior. His name was Dipanshu. He's one of the best b-boys in our amity at that time. And we had a one-on-one battle against, and then people were hooting, and this was boosting me up. So that was the first stage I get to know that I can dance. So it took me 6 to 8 months. I started like watching YouTube videos, I taking tutorials, I was taking help from my seniors, the members of 9 people at that time, and they teach me how to dance from the scratch. I never danced ever before. मुझे डांस बिल्कुल नहीं आता था. I can't even hop my body. तो मुझे थोड़ा थोड़ा knowledge मिला, and I started learning, and after 8 months I got a set of 15 seconds to dance on the stage. That's how I progressed, and there was the time when everybody knows who is Sunandan, who is he's
Because
the
of your
keyboard.
talent.
Yes, and I was like, in Amity, every single person knew that who was Sunandan and what he's doing and what was he doing. He had a streak of 3-0. Like we won the same college fest with a continuous streak of 3-0. Nobody was to beat us, and we got a standing ovation from the audience. तो ऐसे ऐसे करते 2017 तक हमने काफ़ी डांस बैटल्स किए हैं. So up to 2017 it was our last year, and everyone is separating, of course. They have their own life, and one day I was watching the DJ Snake. I used to listen a lot of electronic music and dubstep a lot at that time. Even though I do dance, but I used to listen a lot of music. Like the earplugs are 24/7 in my ears, and like that thing. So I was watching the DJ Snake 2017 Ultra Music Festival show. He, like, it was the first 2 minutes, he jumped out in the stage and said, Miami, what the fuck is up right now? And I was like, oh shit, I want to do this. I want to be like him. And so I searched in the Google how to make music in laptop, and I got introduced to this
This time.
software. This is their
But
first.
you know, for the first time when we like, you know, like especially I saw your music in
Mhm.
YouTube, it was like it is my dream to, you know, like to create it, but it's कहे तो ये सबके बस की बात नहीं है कहीं ना कहीं ये इंजीनियरिंग माइंड भी हेल्प करता है आई गेस कैलकुलेशंस
Yes.
यू नो बिकॉज जब म्यूजिक कंपोजर्स की भी बात करें तो मैंने बड़ी बार देखा है कि दे रियली गो फॉर कैलकुलेशन यू नो मुझसे मिडी मैंने सुना था एक बार पहली बार तो वो पियानो एंड
Yes.
जब आप करते हैं तो ऑब्वियसली इसके लिए कैलकुलेशंस चाहिए होती हैं यू शुड ऑलरेडी नो इन सेकंड्स लाइक
Exactly.
उसके अंदर पता होना चाहिए कि अब क्या बजेगा
हाँ.
सो बट वो पहला मोमेंट था जब म्यूजिक की तरफ मतलब यू वर अट्रैक्टेड
Yes.
दैट टाइम
That time.
That time.
That DJ Snake show. That was the time, and he's my idol actually. I want like there is a dream for me. I want to be signed to his record label Premier Class,
Wow.
and I want to be recognized. Like there is one dude in India, DJ Skage, who is an idol of DJ Snake and who loves to be in his label, and I will do it one day for sure.
For sure, why not?
So
Like
and I want
if you're strong,
yeah,
your
exactly.
dream is strong, you
Yes.
will do it.